Okay, the steps that you need to use in order to update the principles page is first you want to store the document in a common location that you can easily find. I'm using the desktop. So what I've done is I've put the original document, the original PDF, already on my desktop. Now I want to make another copy of it that I'm going to call currentbrief.pdf. So I'm going to select it and going to do a copy, and then I'm going to click off of it and do a paste. It's going to come down here and it's going to just give me the same name dash copy. What I want to do is change the name of this file, and I'm going to call it just current brief. Now notice I'm not putting in the month or the year or anything else. It's just current brief by itself. You can click off of it so it's not selected. When I come back up to the top, probably want to refresh the sort order so that both of them are together. Next thing I want to do is I want to go to the site and go to the documents library, and I want to update the files that are out there. Now I really don't want this one that's called current brief September 9th, because we don't want to have a date or a month in the name. We don't want to have a different name every month. We want to have a common name for every community brief. That's why what we want to use is the community brief by itself .pdf. So I'm going to come over here to documents. I'm going to say upload, and I'm going to upload one document at a time. So the first one I'm going to upload is I'm going to go browse to my desktop and widen this a little bit. Put the sort order by date and time. And the first one I'm going to upload is the community brief September 9th. Click open. Click OK. Now after it finishes uploading, it's going to prompt me for a title. And actually I don't even need this word current because that's going to be meaningless. But I'm going to take the rest of the information and I'm going to put it down here for now. Let me see, copy, paste. I may want to change this name. I probably want to put something more like September 9th, 2013, so I have the year, and maybe spell out September like that. And then I also want to put in for the category, this is going to be the archived version, and make sure that it opens in a new window, and click Save. So that puts a copy of the file up there. Presuming that this one that you put up earlier is one that you want to get rid of. I leave that up to you to get rid of it. I'm just going to change something in the properties, which means I have to check it out. And I want to get rid of the word archive so it doesn't show up in the archive for now. Then I'm going to do another, and I have to check it back in, sorry. Check it back in. And then I'm going to upload the other copy. So I'll go back to browse. And this time I'm going to pick up the current brief.pdf. Click open. Come down here, click OK. In this case it already has the title because it's replacing the existing file. It knows that. And also it has the category for the same reason. Click Save, and it will replace the current version that's out there. So at this point, assuming that everything on the page is defined correctly, I should be able to come back up. Let's go to the school information page to begin. Go to principals page. What we should see is the current version of the document, September 9th, 2013. And when we come down to the archive community briefs, we'll have at the top of the list the most recent one, the September 9th one. So basically that's all you need to do. Hope that helps.